Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to the online mathematics class. In this today's class, we'll let us begin with the new chapter, that is the square and the square roots. It is the it is the fifth chapter in your mathematics. The square and the square roots. Square and square roots. Today we'll discuss about the introduction part in the square and the square roots. So discuss about the introduction part. Already we have learned what is meant by the square. What do you mean by the square? What is the formula of the area? Already in the previous classes you may already learned what is the meaning of the square. Let us begin with the first. We shall discuss about what is the meaning of the square. Is the square A, B, C and D. A, B, C and D. It is the inner space. It is called as the area. You can say that it is the area, and the base we can mention A and A. What is the formula of the area? What is the formula of the area? A into A square. Otherwise, in other words, you can say it is the side square, or side into side, side into side. It is the formula of the, and A indicates the length of the square. A indicates the length of the square. What is the formula of the area? A into A. This is said to be A square or side square. In other words, you can say it is side into side. A indicates the length of the square. And coming to the second one, can discuss side of a square. Side of the square and the area of the square. Area of the square. So we can see the second one. Side of the square and the area of the square. If the side is 1, the area of the side is, the side of the square is 1, we will get the, what is the formula of the area? A into A square, you will get the 1 into 1, you will get the 1 square, or you will get the 1. 1 into 1, you will get the 1 square is equal to 1. And coming to the second one, 2, you will get the 2 into 2, you will get the 2 square, and you will get the 4. 2 into, what is the, if the side of the square is 2, you will get 2 into 2, the 2 into 2 you will get the 2 square, you will get the 4. Same that 3 into 3, you will get 3 square, 3 cube, you will get the 9. You will get the 9. 3 square will be you will get the 9. If the side is 4, you will get the 4 into 4, you will get the 16. As same that if you are getting the 5 into 5, you will get the 25. Last, if you are getting A, then you will get the A into A, you will get the A square. You get the A square. You will get the A square. If your side is A, you are getting the A square. Look at once again. Side of the square is 1. If the area of the square is A into A, you will get the A square. A into A, 1 into 1, you will get the 1 square is equal to 1. As same that the, if the side is 2, 2 into 2 you will get the 2 square, and into 2 square. How we can 2 into 2 square? 2 into 2 you will get the 4. We written as the 4. As same that the, if the side is 3, 3 into 3 you will get the 3 square, and you will get the 9. 3 into 3 you will get the 9. As same that the square side of the square is 4. 4 into 4 you will get the 4 square. 4 into 4 you will get the 16. 4 into 4 you will get the 16. If the side of the square is 5, you will get the 5 into 5, you will get the 5 square. 5 into 5 into, you will get the 25. 5 into 5, you will get the 25. If the side is A, you will get the A into A, you will get the A square. A into A, you will get the A square. Now you have completed the square. Coming to the square number. What is the meaning of the square number? What is the meaning of the square number? If the any number is multiplied by itself, if any number is multiplied by itself, it is said to be square number. What is the square number? Square number. What is mean by the square number? If any number is multiplied by itself, it is said to be square number. If any number is multiplied by itself, then it is said to be square number. Then it is said to be square number. What is the definition of the square number? If any number is multiplied by itself, then it is said to be square number. Look at here. Example 1. This given number. If 1 is multiplied by, you will get the 1. And 2 is multiplied by itself, you will get the 4. What is the square root of 4? You will get the 2 square. As same as the, if the 3 is multiplied by itself, you will get the 9. If the 4 is multiplied by the itself, you will get the 16. As same as the, if the 5 is multiplied by the itself, you will get the 25. As same that, it is the 1 square, it is the 2 square, it is the 3 square, it is the 4 square, it is the 5 square. It is the 5 square. What is the square number? If any number is multiplied by itself, then it is said to be square number. Already we see the example for it. And coming to the perfect square number, perfect square number. Perfect square number. What do you mean by the perfect square number? What do you mean by the perfect square number? First we can write the 1 into 1, you will get the 1. And then 2 into 2, you will get the 4. Write the square number. 3 into 3, you will get the 9. 4 into 4, you will get the 16. 5 into 5, you will get the 25. As well as the 6 into 6, you will get the 36. And the 7 into 7, you will get the 49. 8 into 8, you will get the 64. And the 9 into 9, you will get the 81. 9 into 9, you will get the 81. And the 10 into last, 10 into 10, you will get the 100. 10 into 10, you will get the 100. These are the square numbers. I will write these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5, 6, look at here, 1, 4, 5, 9, 1, 4, 5, 9, 1 4 5 9 1 4 5 9 6, and if you are getting the double zero, if these numbers are in the unit place, in any number, these numbers are the unit place, then it is said to be perfect square. What do you mean by the perfect square? If 1 4 9 5 9 6 and the double zero are in the unit place in any number, then it is said to be perfect square. Look at the example. 144. Already said if the 1 4 9 9 1 4 5 9 6 and the double zero are in the unit place, then it is said to be perfect square. Look at the first place, the unit place, it is having the 4. If the 4 is present in the unit place, then it is said to be 12 into 12, you will get the 144. What is the square root of the 144? You will get the 12 into 12. It is the perfect square. Take another example. 100. In the last place, in the unit place, you will get the 0, and 10 into 10, you will get the 100. It is the perfect square. Take another example. 164. In the last place, in the unit place, having the 4, and 14 into 14, you will get the 164. It is the perfect square. If other than this, if you are getting the 2, 3, and the 7, and the 8, if you are getting these numbers, it is the imperfect square. If you are getting the 2, 3, 7, 9, 2, 3, 7, 9, if you are getting these numbers, it is the imperfect square. In the unit place, if you are getting the 1, 4, 9, 6, 9 and double zero unit in the unit place, then it is the perfect square. Take one example. If you are getting any number 2, 3, 5, 4, 6, it is the perfect square. How to find that it is the perfect square or not? You should fill the unit place. It is having the 6. If having the 6 in the unit place, it is said to be perfect square. Another example, 4322. Already I said before, I said that is the, if you are having the 2, 3, 7, 8 in the unit place, it is not a perfect square. But in the unit place, it is having the 2. It is the imperfect square. Look at the another example. 4879. 4879. Before I said that in the unit place you will be having the 1, 4, 5, 9, 6 and the 0. It is said to be perfect square. In the unit place you are having the 9 and then it is said to be perfect square. In the today's class, we already learned that what I mean by the square, what I mean by the square root, and what I mean by the perfect square. In the next class, we can continue the exercise. Thank you.